Okay, I think I'm already live. Yeah. Okay, so I was reading the comments here. Let me go to the studio and under the comment sections. So yeah, right here. Then how can I upload it after to my live domain like Hostinger? So it's on how to install WordPress on Ubuntu server. So on Hostinger, they provide you like so many services. You can just simply one click install WordPress on Hostinger and just do whatever. And if you have your website on your local domain and if you want to transfer, I have another video like how you can transfer your WordPress from your one machine to another one. You can do that on Hostinger uh, or any other website, or you can do that on local servers as well. And the next one is gateway is depreciated. Okay, so to resolve this, you have to remove gateway for use route. Yeah, that's another way, but I was using the same gateway for different IP address, so that's why that was error. If you're going to use a different IP address, then definitely that's going to have a different gateway address, so you won't see that message. But yeah, I like your comment. Thank you. And then there is another one. Hello, sir. How? What? Hello, sir. How? So after installing, how do I share with my friends the website? How do I connect to the custom domain? Okay, so that's a bit uh, long process. If you have your like local server, then definitely you're gonna need a public IP address, or if you don't have a public IP address uh, and you have the local IP address, then you're gonna need to do the port forwarding. And if you don't know that, you can search on Google whatever device you have, or I have like Xfinity router, and I can do that on my phone. I never opened up the portal on the computer. So yeah, I wanna see uh, the controls or the messages. Can I see them here? Or let me open up another tab and open the live stream here. I don't know if I'm getting uh, comments or something like that. So the stream is going on. Yeah, this is the current one. Okay, so no, I don't have anybody on my live stream right now. And yeah, so I can edit that from here as well. Streaming software, it's a public education, and then playlist. No, I don't want to add this to any of the playlist. And like so many options, customization, subscribers, participants mode. Okay, yeah. So okay, so yeah, for the custom domain, you're gonna need a public IP address, and then under public domain, you can go to your domain management, and I think it's a CNAME record where you put in the IP address, and it recognizes your IP address with your domain name. So that's not a like a difficult task if you have the public IP address, but it becomes kind of difficult when you have when you're using a local IP address, but still definitely you're going to have a public IP address. So then you can do port forwarding, and then you'll be able to like share the website with your friends, or like you can do it public website. All right, so yeah, I replied your comment in the live stream. So what it says not possible, watch the video, let me check. So yeah, I'm gonna reply him. I replied your question in my live stream. Go watch that. Okay, a reply. And yeah, that's all I have for now. And do I have anything under mention? Nope. Okay, so yeah, I was trying to check, uh, create account on Hostinger. I remember like a few years ago, they used to provide free credit for like $100 or $200 that you can use for 2 3 months or 6 months. So I was about to go to Hostinger and do a test, but now they are charging actual money, of course. But they have like very good packages. I just checked. So Hostinger, if you click on this, so yeah, here you can see they have premium package, everything what you need for your website. So it's $2.99, which is really cheap, and you're gonna get 3 months free if you go for like 48 months term. So yeah, if you have like more than 10-20 clients, you manage their websites, and you can ask them to host their website with your account. So you can host 100 websites. So that means you're gonna like manage 100 DNS, sorry, the domain names for your client website, but whatever the amount is, not like exact 100. So it says 100 GB SSD storage. This is not so much, but it's not bad as well, because uh, I don't think if there's a like static website and it has like 10-20 images, it's not gonna take more than like 100 MBs. But if there are some kind of website where people used to sign up, create their account, or they have some kind of database going on all the time, so it's not gonna be enough space for that. And then they're gonna give you one free domain, which is $10. But yeah, that's gonna be free for a year. And then free automatic website migration if you want to migrate your website from any other hosting platform. And then they're going to give you free mail. Each mailbox comes with 1 GB of storage. That's enough. That's a lot. So you can get free SSL certificates, and those are unlimited. That's very good. And then weekly backup, and then WooCommerce. You can do like you can create your shop as well. They don't give you the free CDN. I think CDN is the public IP address, I guess. You can yeah, we can read that. Hosting your CDN, content delivery network, optimized website speed, caching content, multiple servers globally delivering. Oh, okay, so it's a different CDN, and you can see all the features, what they give you, the security and other stuff as well. And there's another one if you need a little bit more space. So it's $3.99 for this term, and then after 48 months, like after 4 years, it's gonna be like $14. But definitely, if you have like 100 clients, it's not a big deal. Like $14 a month is nothing. Okay, yeah, no, they're not giving you dedicated IP address. So as I clicked on more features, so yeah, they're not giving you the dedicated IP address. That means a specific IP address which gonna be stay same forever. So under this package, you can have 300 websites, and it's a managed WordPress hosting. Well, WordPress is very famous nowadays, and then you're gonna get 200 GB NVMe storage. It's the same as the previous package, but you're gonna get 300 websites plus the dedicated IP address and the priorities support and the WooCommerce daily backups and pre-domain. It like that's also available in the premium package. And then what else you're gonna get? One-click WordPress installation. It's the same thing. And what free Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin. So it's available in the next two packages, but not in the first one. Yeah, so this is Hostinger, and let's check DigitalOcean, and they give you $200 credit to try that out. But what they have, so let's see their services. Okay, agree. And DigitalOcean services. Okay, so what products they have? They have Droplets, Kubernetes, Hyperspace, Cloudways, App Platform. So under cloud computing, you got this thing, and they have the backup solution, the storage, networking, databases, MongoDB, Kafka, MySQL, and under solutions, they have AI, machine learning, blah, blah, blah. I don't know anything about that. So under development, what they have, CSS, community home, partners. Okay, so let's go to pricing. No, I don't want to register. I just want to see the prices. Simple, predictable pricing, and always know what you will pay with monthly caps and flat pricing. Okay, so if I scroll down, so Droplets start at $4 a month. Deploy in a second. Kubernetes, there are 12, and database functions spaces. So yeah, support plan and that's free. So yeah, first 2 months are free, and yeah, we're gonna use the, I would say let's go with the Kubernetes, and so it's gonna be like you can say a dedicated server. Um, so you can see more free inbound data transfer, free outbound data transfer, starting at 200 GB per month, and it's gonna be this like 1 cent per GB overage charge. Okay, and then yeah, let's try this one. So they're gonna give 4 GB RAM per CPU, and yeah, the more price, the more resources you get. So this one is like a dedicated CPU with 96 GB. Oh my god, that's a lot. And 11,000 GB transfer, 600 GB NVMe. So if you have like more than 100, 200 clients, or even more, or you can support this one. So it's a dedicated cloud server, and you can install whatever you want. So DigitalOcean gives you uh, more, I'm gonna say more ground to play, but under Hostinger you just can host the websites. So over here you can like do whatever you want to your dedicated server. You can do applications, websites, like you can do multiple stuff. But yeah, it is expensive. So, well, for starter, I'm not gonna say it's expensive. Like if we go with this one, the one with the minimum $12 a month for testing, or if you wanna do like the droplet. So you can see it starts with $4 a month with a half GB memory and one virtual CPU and 500 GB transfer, and you're gonna get 10 GB space. So I'm gonna say for WordPress, it's good. And if you read the description, basic droplets have the most efficient CPU usage at a lower cost for workloads that underuse dedicated threads. So yeah, these are not the actual servers. These are you can consider virtual machines. And still, if you see the one with, let's say, 4 GB, and they're gonna give you 80 GB SSD, and it's if it's running like 24/7, so it's gonna be just $24 a month. And if you run application or software for like a couple hours, so this is like 3.5 cents. So that means 7 cents for 2 hours. And if you run the website for like 8 hours in like working hours, let's say 10, so it's gonna be 7 multiplied by 5, like 35 cents for one day. That's cheap. That's pretty cheap. And if you do the CPU optimized droplets, you can do SSD variant 1, 2, and as like uh, more you go with the resources, you are being charged more. Like the maximum is still $1.50 an hour. It's still not a lot. And general purpose droplet, so yeah, with the 160 GB RAM, of course, $2 an hour is seriously, it's pretty cheap. And you have like more. They have so many options. So yeah, I'm gonna suggest you guys, rather than going on to Hostinger and just be lazy and do one-click installation, go with this one, DigitalOcean, and install your server. You can watch my videos, how you can install your cPanel on your server. And even if you just want uh, the WordPress, you can do that, and you can do like multiple stuff as well. Sorry, what's that? Um, WordPress and Joomla. Joomla is another uh, like it's same like WordPress, but it's easy to manage and have more features. Yeah, and I am live. It's been like 18 minutes. Yeah. No, it says average view duration. Okay, so I'm gonna end the stream now because it's almost 1 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna stream some other time, maybe on weekend. And if you guys have any kind of question, you can just join my live and ask me anything. And yeah, next video will be uploaded tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and it's gonna be related to WordPress. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the video or maybe the next live. Bye bye.